Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to see your Apple ID password on iPhone. So this is really simple. The only thing that you have to do is to open the settings, and once you're here, what you're going to do is to scroll down until you see this section called passwords. So now this is going to require your Face ID. So you're going to put either your Face ID or your Touch ID, so it will verify that you are the owner of the phone. I'm going to unlock the app with my Face ID. Now, as you can see here, I'm going to have all my passwords. In this case, I'm going to blur my screen, but here you'll be able to find your mail and your password every time that you have saved it. In this case, in the letter A, you'll be able to see Apple ID. In this case, I haven't saved the password, but if you did, you'll find your Apple ID password right here. So now you know if you want to find any password, in this case, your Apple ID password, and you have saved it, well, this is where you will be able to find it. If you have any question or any suggestion, please leave it in the comments below. We hope this tutorial has helped you. If you want to see more videos like this one, we invite you to subscribe to our channel.